Fish. I'm shooting in DJI mode. We had a full moon, and it's just ending now. Somebody did a short like this, and every time I try to do it, it don't stick. I ain't gonna throw my mic anymore. You could be there 1,000 times. You may get it to stick once. I got enough fun points to get a mic mini. I think I'm gonna wait for the next points to come and mature. How come you didn't tell me the last time my hat was all over the place? Now it's all fixed. I don't think I'll be able to put my camera up there and do my walk. There's nothing here for me to get up there. It's a little too high. But at least I could put it on the fence and do it that way. I gotta do some work. Get it done. Meet Joe. I gotta see if the editor is doing a good job. I put in a 8-minute video and it took like 30 minutes to edit. All I did was put one simple outro. Every other video I did 8 minutes long with 20, 30 scenes. Took 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops. Don't get it, Filmora. All right, I'll stand by number 2. My light, turning upside down, little broken, fell off the top, the hat, that is. I put in a 360x2 video into the vlog. I didn't do it separately. I combined it. I put a clip or 2. I still got a couple more clips, and I'm not sure if I'm going to just do a multiple, because I have to render every single clip, and then I got to join the clips. And I'm not making it 360. I'm making it single frame, pointing where I want it to do in 360 in a way. Honestly, I have more fun using the action camera over the 360, but the 360 I have fun using. And let me show you the fun I'm having using. Did you know you could do one of these things? The thing is, you got to remember to put the clip in. If you don't, then it's not going to be fun. Did you know you can have that amount of fun with the camera? Can you do that with this camera? Nah. Well, I hope you did enjoy this vlog's talk. It wasn't much about the DJI because they're taking off. They got to celebrate. And it wasn't enough time for them to push it out. Because if they would have pushed it out during the holidays, problem would be everybody be with something that they're going to complain about. So might as well just take the time off until DJI could get it out. But things were released, and things are getting released. And what else is getting released? I don't think anything I want released to get. It's amazing how I found an old video. I'm gonna watch it. Part 4 of Vicksburg, man. Oh yeah. I couldn't believe I found it on the disc. See if I could find it again. It was that long ago, 2015. I was down in, where was I? It was right near Missouri. It was Flowood, Mississippi. The GoPro 5 Hero Black session, and the Polaroid POLCP, and then the POLCP3 came out. And the only difference between the POLCP and the 3 was just one had a little different sound, nothing more, and maybe a frames per second. But that sucker got a magnet on it, still got it, shoved it to the roof of the car, put a USB-C cable on it or USB micro, and off I went riding. And I was able to capture all the footage that was in Vicksburg. I like those cameras. I don't love them. I didn't hate them. They were just basically short press and long press on the one button, and off you went and captured your video. And it had a little screw on back. And sure enough, I think the one I got and purchased from someone, they lost the back on it, and I made a silicone door to stick it on. I remember sending my camera back to the company out in Riverside. And yeah, man, let me tell you, I've been to that place, and they sat there and they were yapping on my SD card when returned. Forgot to delete the footage off, and that's how much they cared about fixing the camera. You get a camera and you got problems with it, why hold on to it and keep it? And that's what's happening here with DJI. Why hold on to it and keep it? Insta Ace Pro 2, I think they got the little problems. Why hold on and keep it if it doesn't, make you satisfied, meet your expectation when you first get it? You hold on to it figuring, oh, they've put firmware out. I'm tripping over this little twig. I didn't hit the camera, man. I almost did. And yeah, GoPro. We just hold on to all those troubles and issues that the camera have. Got a built-in gremlin given to you for free. You don't have to feed it. Just charge your camera and it lives off of that juice. Let the battery die and he'll still, or she'll still, or they'll still live off of just that camera. Weather. Weather, Siri. Weather.
It's currently clear and 30 degrees.
Now why does it say 28 degrees on the phone? Look at that bad boy. Get off the screen. Let me touch it. 28 degrees. 28 degrees. That's what she says. That's the temperature. Weather.
It's currently clear and 30 degrees.
Why does she say 28 degrees on one and 30 on the other? I'm a human talking to a computer that relays it to the internet, that brings back the information that's put on by another human that is electronically on already. And yeah, that's the weather. Artificial intelligence, man. She's not. Well, that's the show for today. I gotta go meet Joe and I gotta take care of some notes and do some stuff. I got a busy day up ahead and I got more things to take care of. And on that note, I know who I am. And thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next episode to come. I'm Fish, and I catch you on the next videos out there. Look at that. Stop sign, open the door, empty out your piss bucket or your coffee, or just didn't like what you drank. Now that's Toyota. I can't jump anymore.